So, good morning, all of you. Good morning, everyone. So, what was the last class? What we have discussed in the last session? In the last session, we have successfully getting into the club, and we have successfully created a server, and we have successfully logged into the server. We have successfully installing software. Okay. And before starting, so I think each and every student have this recording sessions. Am I right? Each and every student have this recording sessions.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So if it is not, let me know. I will try to help you. If you don't have this drive access, let me know by end of the session. I will help you individually. Okay, great. But every day, whatever the information in student information, whatever the student information, here please follow, and daily whatever the link here, just to be double click and join. I'm saying don't copy this link to anywhere else. Okay, daily come to this place, double click and join from here, whatever the link is displaying every day, every class, every before the class. Okay, daily I'll upload the class recordings and class notes also. Please follow from here. Fine, great. Okay, so in what exactly in the last session? So we understood very clearly AMI. In the last session, we understood very clearly AMI. So, okay. So let us recap within 2 to 3 minutes. So what we have discussed in the last session. So we have successfully logged in, sign up and sign in cloud. Once if it is successfully sign up and sign in, okay, you will be see the dashboard is like this. And which you want, EC2, S3, IAM, whatever the service you want, you can choose. For example, let's say I'm gonna be choosing EC2. EC2. So EC2 is nothing but what? Elastic Compute Cloud. By helping of EC2, we can able to create a servers. We can able to create a server. Server is just like instance. We're already created instance here. We're already created instances here. Okay, which are all the components? So in your laptop, like operating system, disk, RAM, firewall, operating system, security. So same, what exactly in your laptop we have the same component we are gonna be using while creating our server. But naming conventions are different. But your laptop is just for home purpose, but server is for deploying our applications, which we have experienced in the last session. What we have done the same thing. Let us repeat again. Okay, so let us try to create a server first. Okay, how to create a server? So just type it EC2. So let us go for EC2. Click on running instance, create a server, launch instance, launch instance. How many instances you want? Choose yourself. How many you want? Please be choose. Okay, so either one instance or two instances or three instances or thousand instances you need to choose. But my recommendation always only one. Once if you did choose, once if you did choose instance one, and what is the name? Name of the server is what? My web server. My web server. Once if it is successfully chosen my web server. Click on Ubuntu, click on Ubuntu, or else you can able to choose any other operating system, guys. Please, we can choose Red Hat mission, we can able to choose Amazon mission, we can able to choose DBR mission, we can able to choose, or any missions we can able to choose. We can able to choose any missions, guys. Please. But so before starting, before doing, okay. So instead of web server, let us remove this. Just I want to create a LAMP server. Okay. Today, our agenda is what exactly? Same concept. AMI only we are discussing. Same concept we're gonna be discussing, but with help of AMI. Yesterday, what we have done? Yesterday we have created a web server. With the help of web server, we have understood AMI. But today we're gonna be using an example called lamp lamp. Okay, lamp. So let it be write down is better. Install lamp. What is a lamp? Okay, it is not a light. Okay, it is a the abbreviation of lamp is what? Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP. The combination of these are all we calling as what? LAMP. LAMP. Linux. L for Linux. A for Apache. Apache web server. M for MySQL database. P for PHP. PHP application. Okay, so all together we calling as what? LAMP. LAMP. So install LAMP on Ubuntu 20. So sir, how exactly we can able to get the steps? So can able to memorize these are all the steps? No. So we should be Google it, install, just be simply Google it, install LAMP, LAMP, LAMP on Ubuntu 20. Just to be typed like this. If we go for, if it is scroll down, you can able to get this document and follow this document. By following this document, you can able to install. You can able to install. You can able to install LAMP server. LAMP server. I repeat again, guys, please no confusion, nothing. Okay. So we are gonna be discussing only our agenda for today only. What is AMI only? What is AMI? Okay, Amazon Machine Image, but with help of example call with the example LAMP. Okay. So, but if you want to experience, if you want to implement AMI with LAMP, first we need to install LAMP. Okay, somebody is asking question. Please wait. Sir, yeah, same. Ayushi, please continue same. Yeah, same. Ayushi, please continue the same here. Okay. Okay. So verify, Ayushi, whether you are accessing daily recordings or not. Okay, here is already shared. Check it once whether you have daily DevOps AWS EC to 6 a.m. So this folder is whether you are access or not. If it is not, let me know by end. I will help you, Ayushi. Okay, please wait by end. I can help you by end. Okay, if you have, yes, very good. Continue to practice and fine. So please let us come back to the class. Okay, what is the agenda? So what is an AMI with example of LAMP? That means we need to install LAMP. What is a LAMP? LAMP, Linux, Apache 2, MySQL, PHP. So we're going to be installing on which operating system? Ubuntu 20 only. So which document we are going to be following? So this is a reference document. Okay, please follow this reference document. By following this reference document, we can able to, I need this page. That's it. I need this page. So copy this URL and future purpose, future reference, I'm going to be providing here. Okay, please. Okay. So what are the first step which we're trying to do that, please? The first step is create create a Ubuntu 20 Linux server means instance which you are calling and try to log in. So once if it is logged in, okay, so very first step, you know very well, sudo -i. Then apt get update. So for every new server, we need to apt get update. Okay, first let us try to do it, complete this process. Then we'll come back, follow this document. We're trying to install LAMP. Okay, so each and every student is clear, no doubt, no questions, no confusion, am I right? If anything else, if anything question, any confusion, please let me know. I will talk to them individually. Okay, so first, please, how to create a server, you know very well. First, let us go for EC2. Click on EC2, click on EC2, launch instance, click on launch instance. Instance is nothing but a server. So some of the servers are running. So I want to create a freshly. So how to create a server? By click on launch instance. Once if it is click on launch instance, okay. So we can name it anything. So I want to name it as what exactly? Lamp server. Lamp, lamp server. LAMP, lamp server. Then, so do you have Ubuntu 20 here? No. Ubuntu is there, but the 20 version is not available here. That's the reason, please, we click on browse AMIs. Okay, so if you want, so can able to get my AMIs here? Yeah, I can able to get my AMIs, which we have created yesterday. I don't want my AMIs, so quick AMIs, no. So marketplace. So go for marketplace. Once if it is click on marketplace, please type which version of Ubuntu, please. Click on Ubuntu 20. Click on Ubuntu 20 Pro. LTS, please. Please use this operating system. Ubuntu Pro 20 0.4 LTS, long last version. So once if it is successfully select the operating system which we are going to be choosing, so click on subscribe now. Once if it is subscribed now, it will take around 20 to 30 seconds. Please wait, then it will be loaded. After successfully loading, then we go for next step. You know very well, after this, you know very well. So next step is what we are gonna be choosing: instance type, file, security, networking, and disk means hardest volume which you calling. Each and everything we're gonna be choosing. No, you are familiar with everything. So only the change is, so choosing AMI is from marketplace. Please aware of this. Please follow the steps. Okay. Once if it is done, so whether you want to create new PEM file, yes, we can able to create a new PEM file also. But I'm gonna be choosing my existing PEM file which I'm using last class. My self Ohio key. Once if it is successfully chosen my Ohio key, if it is scrolled on, yeah, default network. Let me go for default network. Without network, we can't able to create a server. Default network, default subnet, default availability zone, everything is default. And here is we are gonna be choosing SSH and add HTTP also. Two securities we are opening. One is for SSH. SSH means what? Secure shell. We can able to log in from Linux to Linux, which we have discussed. We logged in also by using SSH. Then what about HTTP? HTTP is a hypertext transfer protocol. By helping of HTTP, we can access web server over internet. Okay, so these two is more than enough. So please be open. And anywhere else? So SSH anywhere, HTTP anywhere. Please make sure about these two. Once if it is successfully chosen, then 8 GB of hard disk which we are going to be choosing here. 8 GB of hard disk which we are going to be choosing, or else if it is want increase, you have increase also. Once if it is chosen, these are all the configuration, then by click on one, click on launch instance automatically, sorry, anywhere, and click on launch instance automatically, the server will be created. Is our server is successfully created or not? Tell me. Once if it is created, you know very well how we can able to getting into the server. So where exactly? Please double click on it, ID, and we can able to see the complete information about our instance. either public IP, private IP, public DNS, private DNS. So anything. So lot of information we can able to we can able to get it from here. Even the security information, how, whether it is monitoring, under monitoring or not, everything. Okay. So we can see the complete information about our instance. Instance is nothing but a server. Sir, how exactly we can able to getting into this mission? So very simple, as we discussed, only majorly so three components. So SSH, user, public IP, PIM file. Okay, by manually we can type it, or else, sir, I don't want to manually, just directly connect. Connect, click on SSH client, copy this SSH client, copy this SSH client. Where exactly this PIM file? Myself Ohio PIM file. Myself Ohio PIM file. Where exactly the PIM file is located? The PIM file is located in my desktop. Maybe you, in your case, maybe download somewhere a C drive, E drive. Wherever you keep the PEM file is located, there itself right click behind right click, open git bash and paste your SSH connection. That's it. You will be getting into the cloud server. Once if it is getting into the cloud server, then the next immediate step is what exactly we need to make it update. So what is an update? How to update, guys, please? So sudo -i. Sudo -i. What is the meaning of sudo -i? Whenever execute this command, it will be switched to the root user. It will be switched to the root user. Whenever it is switched to the root user, by helping of root user, we can able to we can able to update by helping of the command call apt get update. Whenever execute, the default softwares will download from into the server. Got it? So our agenda is clear. What you want it is clear, and environment is ready, server is ready. But first, before implementing at any cost, before whenever you got a task, okay, what I need to do, don't blindly implement. First, need to make it document first properly. So then only we start implementing. Am I right? That is a good practice. So that means, so first, which are all the commands we are going to be executing, make it note here. So whether the command is working or not, we need to cross check, then start implementing. Okay, directly don't try to do that. So for example, what is the agenda? I want to practice for the AMI. Okay, what is AMI? We want to understand with example call lamp create. Okay, but for that we are installing lamp on Ubuntu 20. Okay, that means we take in Ubuntu 20, we just make it ready also. Very good. Then which are all the steps we need to follow, which document we need to follow? Google it or chat gtp. We can use any chat gtp also. We can go for ChatGDP and ask the ChatGDP also. So install LAMP on Ubuntu 20. Then you will get a steps. And you need to cross check and make it to your own document. Don't believe on anything on Google or ChatGDP. So believe in your document, believe in your commands only. Okay. So in my case, please be go through this. Okay, so which are all the steps? Same steps we following. The first step is what exactly? So LAMP means what? Linux. So Linux machine is ready or not? Then what next? A. A stands for what? Apache. So we are gonna be installing Apache to web server. That's it. We're making Apache to web server. So Linux is ready. L is ready. L is ready. So right now we are installing Apache to web server also. Once if it is installed Apache to web server, okay. So whether it is working or not, we need to cross check. I don't want to do the cross check because of I know very well it is working. That's what directly. So to simplifying this, so directly it is enabled. Sir, what is the meaning of enable? So whenever you are restarting or starting or a reboot your system automatically, our Apache 2 services will be up and running. It will make it ready to our use. No need to manual setup, manually enable. I got it very clearly. So when your laptop restarts, some services start automatically, some services not started automatically. But I want to start Apache 2 automatically when the boot my server. That is the meaning of this command. Okay, fine. Once if it is scroll down slowly, yeah, whether it is working or not, we're going to be in access. Yeah, you done very well in the last session. Okay, so we have installed Apache 2, and whether it is an accessing or not, we are trying to access. Once if it is done, then we are going to be installing database. For the database, we are going to be executing this command. So next step is what? Linux is ready, Apache is ready, then MySQL or any data, MariaDB or PostgreSQL, any database which is recommended. So MariaDB client is installing with help of MariaDB client. So please scroll down, say yes, and should be enable this. So once if it is successfully installed MariaDB client, once if it is enabled, so we're going to be installing MySQL secure installation. So client is different, MySQL server is different. In database, you know very well, people knows about that. Okay, so we are installing MySQL secure installation. Whenever you are executing this command, automatically it's going to be asking yes or no question. All are yes. Password is yes. So remote access yes. Root login remotely yes. Remote test database access yes. So root reload the privileged database yes. That's it. Okay. Please keep out yes, yes only. Don't change anything. So once if it is done, then we are gonna be installing PHP. PHP. Once if it is installed PHP, so once if it is installed PHP client, please be execute this command, the PHP related command only. So don't try to understand what is a PHP, what is MySQL for today. Okay. Just install success. That's it. Our agenda is what? Not understanding. Today our agenda is not understanding MySQL, not understanding PHP. Our agenda is only for AML. So please be restart our Apache 2. Once if it is installed, these are all, then please be restart our Apache 2. Then let us configure the page call. Please be open this file. Please be open. Please be open this file with the uh, and copy paste. That's it. Our job is finished. Please wait. So we have done almost last step. Okay, please bear with. Steps are clear. Okay, so any questions, please, before implementing this? Okay, so let us start doing, please. Okay, so what are the first step? Create a Ubuntu Linux server and logged in and apt-get update, and we're trying to install Apache 2. Please copy paste from here. Is it installing Apache 2? Means web server is successfully installed. Is our web server is successfully installed? So once if it is successfully installed web server, then so we need to enable web server. Apache to web server, we need to enable. Even your server is reloaded, automatically our server, our Apache to service is started. Once if it is started, yeah, we're gonna be installing MariaDB client. Yes to continue. Once if it is installed, please be enable MariaDB also. So once if it is enable MarinaDB, please install secure installation. MySQL secure installation, all are yes. So provide the password, say yes, password, type it anything, Maha, Maha. So we have successfully anonymous, yes, remotely logged in, yes, database access, yes, remove test database, yes, and reload the privilege table, yes. And so this DB is ready. Once if it is database is ready, once this database is ready, then let us go for PHP installation. So by copying pasting this command, automatically PHP will be installed. So these are all the steps are happening on where exactly in cloud, but not in your laptop. So once if it is installed, please install the PHP radish. Yes to continue. Okay, I will upload this document. Don't worry. Okay, please use this document to install LAMP. Okay, just refresh, refresh, and restart our Apache 2. Once if it is restart our Apache 2, then please be open this. Please be open this file. Please be, please be. Let it be go for uh, nano. Better. Let us go for nano. Okay, once if it is open, and please be copy this 3 lines and Control X, press Y, press Enter. I'll write down here. Please use the same. How to say this? Control plus, type it Control plus X, press Y, and press Enter. Very easy. That's it. Our job is ready. Okay, so the lamp is ready. Once if it is ready, please go to the cloud where you have create server. Please let us open the particular server. So is it a lamp server or not? Tell me. Yes. Copy the public IP. Copy the public IP and let it be paste here. And whether you are accessing web server or not first. Remove the yes. We didn't give HTTPS. We're giving only HTTP only. Please remove the yes. Then whether you are accessing web server and forward slash info.php page. Whether you are accessing this page from your laptop, whether you are accessing this page from your laptop, please be try to verify. In this here, we can able to see here complete information about our server. So what is the private IP? 170.31.15.31. What is the public IP? So 18 dot triple two dot 118.13. Is it or not? Tell me public IP. So what we have installed Apache 2. Okay. So we can see the complete information in front about my server. Okay. Guys, please any questions up to this point? It's clear, am I right? So are we going to be learning lab? No, sorry. We are not learning LAMP and we're learning only AMI. So with help of this, once if it is configured, think about it. So these are huge steps we have. So these are also very simple, but if you go for production environment, so we're going to be following lot of steps, lot of configuration, lot of things we are going to be do that. But every time if you are repeating these all the steps, it's very difficult. Okay, that is the reason we're gonna be if it is a very important server, we should be take a backup like AMI. Okay, so let us draw the diagram one more time, please. Assume this is one of the important server. Assume like that. So to understand, So please, this is what exactly are my lamp, LAMP, lamp server, lamp server. From lamp server, we are gonna be creating a AMI, my AMI, my lamp AMI. Once if it is successfully created, once if it is successfully create AMI, from AMI we can able to create n number of lamp service, n number of lamp servers. So this is which we have experienced in the last session. The same thing, let us try to do that. So first let us create a AMI. Sir, how to create AMI? How we can able to create AMI? Click on instance type. So make sure which server you selected, or else let us go for instances, all instances. Select the particular server which you want to create AMI. Then click on actions, image, image creation. Just be double click on it, automatically it will be landing, it will be navigating into the AMI dashboard. So just to be click on image. Once if it is click on image, here is we are gonna be creating a image name. So what is the image name, guys? Please, my lamp, LAMP, lamp AMI. What is the date for today? 12th December 25th. Okay, same name. I'm gonna be giving as description. And if it is scroll down and just to be click on create image, it will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Got it. It's very clear. Is our AMI successfully creating or not? Tell me. Is our AMI is creating or not? Yes. Is it my AMI is 12th December is pending? Yeah, it's creating. Sir, if you want, if you don't want remaining, yeah, you can turn it. Okay. So how to do that? So deregistered AMIs. How to delete? Deregistered. So yesterday also we created one AMI, right? Please be deregistered in meanwhile. So please wait. Let it be complete this process. Let it be complete this process. So why, sir, why you choose in LAMP? Because of the complete entire model, this EC2 model, we are going to be experienced, we are going to be learning with help of LAMP only. Okay, so I need to install or any web server, any live server I need it to explain this entire process. EC2, we're gonna be understand tomorrow also LAMP only, a day after tomorrow also LAMP only. With this example, we are understanding load balancers, we're understanding auto scaling, Route 53. These are all the concepts. That's what we choose in LAMP to explaining concepts only, but we're not learning LAMP. Fine. It will take around 3 minutes minimum. Okay. So don't worry. So I have written here. So if you want to follow this document, follow this, or else blindly copy paste from my commands. Who are all beginner who don't know Linux, please blindly copy from here. Okay, just copy paste it. Who can able to do it from document, please go through the document, this document, online document. So use this document, get that from there itself. Okay, so once if it is ready, then we can able to create a servers from here. How many you want? Again, either two, three, four. So by using this lamp, yeah, I want to create hundreds of lamp servers without repeating the steps. Without repeating these are all the steps again, again and again, again and again, logging into the server again and again, executing these are all the commands. Simply create AMI from AMI. How many lamp servers you want, we can. But as of right now, I want to create three lamp servers. I want to create three lamp servers. Three lamp servers, please. Enough. Okay, please wait. Still is pending state, but make it is available, then only we can proceed. Okay, is it available? Yeah, we can launch instances from here also. If we click on here, automatically it will be landing into the EC2 dashboard, which I'm creating instances, there itself it will be navigate. Or else, okay, or else a regular process EC2. Click on EC2. So running instances, launch instance, launch instance. How many you want? Three enough for today. Guys, please, before do that. So do you want original server or not required? Do you want original server? Not required, am I right? Do you want original server? Not required. So there is no dependency. So after successfully creating AMI, if we lose original server, there is no issue. There is no problem. Why? Because we have already backuped. Fortunately, if we got to lose my original LAMP server, there is no issue because of by helping of AMI, we can duplicate again. We need to recreate again. So that's what exactly the point, very important point. Okay. So this LAMP server, select. If you don't want it, we can terminate. There is an issue. And then let us try to click on launch instance. How many servers you want? Three. Three. LAMP lamp. Here we have three options. Browse AMIs or existing which is displaying anyone from quick start, or else choose my AMI. Choose my AMI. Choose my AMI here. Then choose whatever we created for today, my lamp AMI 12th December 25. Please choose that. So once if it is successfully chosen, my AMI, and remaining steps are all same, not to be different, all are same. Myself Ohio key and default network or edit network. So let us go for all traffic anyway. Click on launch instance with 8 GB of hard disk. So with help of these are all the configurations, we're gonna be creating 3 LAMP servers or a 300 choice yours. But don't be create beyond 3. You know very well why. So once if it is successfully create, these are all instances. Here is some stopped instances we have, some pending, some terminated, some running. Okay, I want to display only running instances. So instance state is equal to running. Only running state instance is only displayed. Okay, so let us name it. So it is a LAMP server 1. It is a sorry LAMP server 2, LAMP server 3. Got it. Okay. So did I log in any LAMP? Any one of the server? Did I logged in? Did I execute off these are all any commands? No. No, and not required. So not required to do that because of so these instances are all created from AMI. Not required. These are all the steps again. So try to verify whether we have got this LAMP server or not. So let us go for LAMP 01. Copy public IP. Paste. Remove the S. /info.php. Is it? Is it anybody? Sir, what is the private IP here? 138. 138, please. See, look at here. Our private IP is 138. Public IP is this. So please make it note somewhere else. Better to explanation. For explanation. So LAMP 01. So private IP is this what? Please, can you type in the chat box also? What is the private IP? At least type it 138. 138. Let it be make it 138. Better. Okay. LAMP server 02. LAMP server 02. So did you logged in? No. What are the private IP? 201. It is 201. Am I right? LAMP server 03. So close this. Close this. Let us try to access server 3 also. Copy public IP. Remove the S. Info.php. What is IP? Private IP here? 224. Am I right? Double to four. Please keep in this mind. Okay. So we're done. Fine. So we see the result also. Without logging, we can able to get it. So we can able to save. Our admin time is gonna be same a lot, and we have to backup also. So two purposes are resolved: backup and restore resolved, and we can able to duplication is resolved, and it is very easy to that. So our admin time is going to be saved instead of again creating and getting and installing. These are all the commands not required. Okay, these are all advantages which we have get it up to this point. Great. Okay, so but my question is, sir, after creating LAMP service, sir, if you want to delete LAMP AMI, yeah, we can. Why not? So there is no dependencies. And after successfully creating this servers, LAMP server 1, LAMP server 2, LAMP server 3, sir, if you want to lose, if you want to delete, yeah, we can. So without AMI, this LAMP servers are working. So from this LAMP servers, we can again create LAMP AMIs also. So the AMI is not depending on original service. This whatever we created duplicate service, these servers are not depending on AMS. It is independently, not dependently, independently each other are working. Please aware of this, please. Okay. So this what exactly the lamp. This what exactly the lamp. This what exactly the lamp. Any questions up to this point before move forwarding to the next topic? Anybody, please ask me in the chat box. Clear? Shall we continue? Next topic. Yeah, go ahead. So the next topic is what exactly the load balancer. The next topic is load balancers. So we have a different types of load balancers we have. So classical load balancers, application load balancers, network load balancers, a gateway load balancers. We have so four different load balancers we have. But so today, basic load balancer we're going to be an experience. Okay. So just today, I'm going to be an explain. I will show you result. That's it. Tomorrow, again, we are going to be in-depth discussion about load balancers. Okay. So let us understand diagrammatically what is load balancer. What is load balancer? What is load balancer? To specifically to specifically, what is CLB, classical load balancer? What is classical load balancer? Let us try to understand diagrammatically first. Fine. A new. Okay. So we have three servers: server 1, server 2, server 3. We have a my web server or any server, Flipkart or Amazon, any service. Maybe let us go for example call Flipkart or Netflix or Adbus or anything, any online business. Okay, my web server one here. Assume that like that, but let us keep it as web server here. How many servers, guys? Please, three. Okay, it is not copy paste. How many, guys? Please, three. So server one, server two, server three. Totally, how many, guys? Please, three. So each and every server has an individual IP. Will you give individual IP? An individual IP can able to give in an internet like that. Flipkart have a 10 servers. Will able to publish 10 servers IP. These people can able to remember. Can able to hit the Flipkart? No, it is not possible. Am I right? But only one name only. Flipkart.com. Am I right? But internally, how exactly handle these are all the servers by using load balancer. So that means what exactly in front of these are all the servers, we are gonna be creating a one entity, one endpoint. That's which you calling as what load balancer LB. So which are all the customers, which are all the logins, which are all the customers, which are all the clients or whatever maybe, it's gonna be hitting into the load balancer only. Assume to this website. Only we have a 15 users. We have only 3 servers. So we have a totally how many users, guys, please? The traffic is traffic into the web server. Sorry, our websites in online, in internet. Totally, we have only 15 users. Assume like that to explanation purpose. Okay, so 3 servers we have here. But this 15 users load, what exactly the load balancer does? Equally distributing across all the servers by helping of round robin mechanism. The first request goes to the first server, second request goes to the second server, third request goes to the third server. Again, fourth request comes again, first one. It's a second, third, okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So the entire incoming traffic, it's equally distributing across all the servers. The job done by the load balancer. The job done by the load balancer, which you're calling as what? Classical load balancer. Concept is clear? Concept is clear? What is a load balancer? Okay. Shall we experience this practically? What we have discussed, shall we experience practically within 1 minute? Okay. So just directly show result. But so tomorrow we'll explain one more time. Very depth. Okay. So I don't want to explain because of the time is running out. That's what I can't explain each and every tab in load balancer. But tomorrow we'll discuss again the classical load balancer in depth. Okay. Directly go to the EC2. In the below, we have an options called load balancer. We have an options called load balancer. Click on load balancer. Click on load balancer. Create a load balancer. We have different types of load balancer: application load balancer, network load balancer, gateway load balancer. And in the below, we have a classical load balancer also. Okay. Please choose for today classical load balancer. So what is the classical load balancer? We'll discuss tomorrow. Okay. Just name it my CLB classical load balancer. It is internet facing, not internal. Okay. Internal, we go for internal or internet. Let us go for internet facing. So default network. So the which are all instances we created from which availability zone, you know very well. So in the reason we have a multiple availability zones, am I right? My server is created on where exactly maybe 2A, 2B, 2C. That's what I'm choosing. These are all the zones. Okay. Once if it is chosen, default network. Let us go for default network. As or else create a new security group and we need to provide it here. And scroll down. So 8080 port number, I'll explain by tomorrow. Rest everything is same. Add instances here. Which are all instances we're adding here? LAMP 1, LAMP 2, LAMP 3, LAMP 3. So these are all the servers we make it ready or not already. Please be select LAMP 1, LAMP 2, LAMP 3. LAMP 1, LAMP 2, LAMP 3. Please be select all these 3 servers, LAMP 1, LAMP 2, LAMP 3, and click on load balancer. That's it. Our load balancer is gonna be creating. Is our load balancer is successfully created or not? Tell me. Yes. Okay. But by default, it is not active. But make sure in a target, instance, all instance should be in service. It will take around 30 to 60 seconds. Please wait until in service. Please wait until in service. In service means what exactly? The load balancer can able to communicating into the instances. Yeah. So once if it is in service, in the above we have a DNS name. Copy this DNS and paste in your browser. That's it. Is it accessing? /info.php. Is it accessing? So let me copy paste in the chat box. Please try to access the same, whether you are accessing same thing in your laptop also. Okay. So look at here. So 224, am I right? So what are the IPs which you given? 224, 138, 138, 201, 224. Is it routing? Is it rotation happen or not? Please just be refresh this page. Just to be refresh. So 201, 138. Again, the fourth request goes to the first server, 224, 138, 201. So it will happen. So the load, whatever the incoming load is distributing across all the servers or not, tell me. Clear. Is the load balancer is working or not? Yeah, great. So why we are using lab? Because of understanding, explanation purpose only. Okay. Without lab, I can't explain, I can't show this result like this. That's what. I can be, I want display the front end server information that through LAMP only I can show you. That's the reason I'm choosing a LAMP example. Okay. So nothing else. I don't want to explain LAMP, but I want to explain AMI, load balances, and then auto scaling and Route 53. So these are all the concepts which we are going to be learning with help of the same example. Without LAMP, we can't be continue classes tomorrow also. Please, all of you students, please make it ready at any cost. I will share this document. With help of this document, try to complete. I will share this recording session with along with this doc and with the steps, Linux command steps. Please be implemented in your laptop and we'll meet tomorrow. And please wait, don't leave the meeting. So each and every student having this recording sessions, am I right?
Are we getting through mail about this
No,
drive
no,
link?
no. No. So I already shared the drive. So please open the drive. Every day I'm uploading here. That's it. How I'm accessing the same way you can access in your laptop also. How I'm displaying like this, same way you can able to display in a laptop, whether it is not or no. Yes or no.
Can you share this drive link once?
Yeah. Share your registered email address in privately. Here is, in the option called new chat. In the new chat, type it. Uh, Share your registered email address in new chat.
So when you create this load balancer, so does it
Okay.
create any server or instance background?
Nothing. No, no, not it. No, it is a service.
Okay.
No other component will be impact.
Okay.
Ajay Joshi. Uh, no, that is a content link, am I right? No, that is not Ajay Joshi. Okay, so I'll send the link with the. Here is Maha 74 DevOps at the rate. From this mail, you're receiving an email. Please check it once. The source is from here. Maha 74 DevOps at the rate of Gmail. Please scratch check or else promotions mail somewhere else you can check it. The folder name like this displayed DevOps AWS EC to 6 a.m. Surely, please confirm this. Ajay. Okay. Nikhil, I will share. One second, please. So that's it. Who are all having recording session, you can leave the day. Tomorrow, guys, please. Tomorrow the link will be expired. Tomorrow the link will be expired. So whatever the link, please be joined from here. The link is expiring. Please, I will update it here. So who don't have recording, please wait. Okay, don't leave the meeting. So this link is expiring. Okay, I will update. So tomorrow onwards, we're gonna be joining with new meeting link. I will update it. Whatever the meeting link in student information file, please be joined tomorrow onwards. Got it. Thank you. So who are all having drive access, you can leave. But who don't have drive access, please wait and share your registered email address in privately. Nikhil, please wait. Aishi, you can leave because we have a drive access. You can leave. Aishi,
I'm also checking where
please
exactly.
verify. I can wait for it, Teju, please.
In the mail only we need to check, right?
Yeah,
I got
main
the
on.
Zoom mails I have.
Target. Check it once.
From whom I can get the mail?
So Maha 74 DevOps at the rate of gmail.com. It is a source mail. Maha 74 DevOps at the rate of gmail.